Let's jump into our overview, where we'll provide some general information related to the data submission and introduce key concepts related to the data collected in the student absence summary file. Chronic absenteeism is an indicator on the California School Dashboard. The Chronic Absenteeism Indicator is used to meet the requirements of the Every Student Succeeds Act, or ESSA. The data for chronic absenteeism is pulled directly from the student absence summary file type, and for this reason, student absence summaries are considered high-profile records. In addition to the collection of absence data, CalPADS will also calculate cumulative enrollment for each school. The cumulative enrollment counts will come from the student's enrollment or SENR data in CalPADS for the academic year. There are two types of cumulative enrollment, which we will discuss later in this training. Student absence summary data is used to determine counts for absences and absence category percentages. The CDE will report an unduplicated count of students that are absent 10% or more school days during the year, as well as attendance rates for pupils in foster care, to the federal government in compliance with the Every Student Succeeds Act, or ESSA. A student who is a chronic absentee misses 10% of the school year for any reason, including excused and unexcused absences. A chronic absentee has been defined in California Education Code as a pupil who is absent on 10% or more of the school days in the school year when the total number of days a pupil is absent is divided by the total number of days the pupil is enrolled and the school was actually taught in the regular school days of the district, exclusive of Saturdays and Sundays. There are three reporting scenarios on this slide to help you better understand the chronic absenteeism criteria. Student Absence Summary, or STAS reporting, is part of the end of year 3 data collection. Students included in STAS reports will have an enrollment that was open at some point in the end of year reporting window. This is any enrollment that overlaps the reporting period of July 1st of the prior calendar year to June 30th of the current calendar year. Student absence summary records are required for students in grade levels TK through 12 with primary or short-term enrollments who attended at least one single school day during the academic year. Adults, preschoolers, and infants are excluded. The student absence summary record is required for students enrolled at all school types. Students enrolled at NPS schools and home and hospital students are expected, but can use the exempt indicator if appropriate.